Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope great. I'm out here at the park today. I'm actually just knocking out a whole bunch of videos. I shot my slingshot a little bit, did some like 3 gear reviews. So one thing I mentioned I was gonna do is try to use a stove on every outing. Now I was gonna cook a big meal, but I thought it's kind of hot. Let's not. So I'm gonna bust out a stove and do a cup of noodle. This is the MSR Pocket Rocket. It has not been out in a while. I got my H2O. As I drop everything or drop everything and or throw everything. Alright. If you missed my video for this, I will link it below. Alright, today's lunch is going to be something simple. Cup of noodles, stir-fry rice with noodles, Japanese teriyaki chicken, and other natural flavors. I actually haven't had this one yet, but it's rice and noodles, so I'm a little curious. I've got like 4 of these in my home cupboard, but I actually got kind of tired eating them. So I'll just try this one though, see how it tastes. Thought it'd be best to use a canister stove today instead of a fire stove because we're under high fire restriction. I mean, fires aren't banned, but you just gotta be careful. With this, I can just simply turn it off. Plus, I got all my water nearby. So, well, this one's empty now, but we're almost there. All right, we're seeing some bubbles. Get that in the water and then put the lid on top, trap the heat in. Sweet. Waiting for my noodles to get done, so I figured I'd take a few shots. And I drop my shot. I'm not very far away from it, so. Now I'm hitting on. Oh, it's like 3 for 3. Four for 4. I think it's. Let's check those noodles. Oh yeah. Seriously. Well, it looks fully rehydrated. A lot of water though. Maybe I put too much water in. Let's that's what she looks like. Like I said, it's really soupy. I might have put too much water in. Man, I got some camera issues. Give this give that a try. If the camera will focus on it. Excuse me. The rice with water is the rice with pasta is a little interesting. I was just wondering if there was a fill line. Doesn't taste bad. Hot. Alright, not a bad lunch, just a little simple lunch, and you know, trying to fulfill my promise to use the stove on every trip. So I'm gonna wrap up and head home, and I gotta swing by the store, and I gotta do cast iron Wednesday tonight, and I gotta do shout out tonight. It's supposed to be my day off. Anyway, I gotta edit Local East as well. Yeah, busy guy. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. Thanks again. We'll catch you in the next one, and check the cards at the end for yeah, just check the end cards for links, or they'll be in the description as well. And as always, I appreciate you watching. We'll catch you in the next one.